Hi again. This is Evelyn. Thank you for joining me. I just want to show you a few things that I created for a swap. I'm in a swap with Carmen Van Loken in a Facebook group called Made by You. And we were challenged to create an embellishment book, a Christmas card, and also to include in the swap a $5 gift. Well, let me start off by showing you my Christmas cards for this year, a limited edition. I just used some vintage paper that I had, some die cuts, and this is a die cut that I have that make, I don't remember who makes it, that makes pine leaves. This is another die cut, some buttons that I had in my stash, and a doily. Added a bow and a jingle bell, and off we go. And this is the inside. I haven't signed it for her yet, and I signed it in the back. So this is my card. Also, I created, these are really cute and easy to make. Using a round circle punch, you cut the design paper, and then you cut several just round circles, and you wrap it in cellophane, and it looks like mint candy. So I have this peppermint, and I have this one. I made a few of them for Carmen, and I included them in this small box. This is an Ellen Hull die. It's called Box with Scallop Flap and Flowers, and it makes these really cute boxes that you can include goodies in. This is by Sizzix. So I included some of the peppermint candy in here. And this is my embellishment box book. Like I said, I followed Bona's video tutorial. On the outside here, I made these pretty pom-poms. They look so festive. I added some ribbon, more pom-pom trim, and I included this. Isn't this the cutest little jingle bell? It's a Santa jingle bell. I used the paper line A Very Merry Christmas by Echo Park, which is very vintage, and I just added this ribbon just to keep it closed. This Santa image was also part of the paper, and I had some frames which I painted red. I added some very pretty flowers that I had, which I put stickles and glass glitter on, and I included a spray and some frosted berries that I had purchased from Michael's. I think this is also either Michael's or Dollar Tree. I've had in my stash, and this is the front cover. And so on the inside, what we have is just a bunch of embellishments, which I have packaged up for her. The stickers were also from the paper line, and this small, it looks like a box, but actually it is the Sizzix die by Tim Holtz. I don't even know if it has a name on it, and it's basically just, oh, it's called Stitch Slots. And I added some little, I don't know if you could see here, I just added some paper on the side and made it like an envelope type. And inside I included some goodies, which I'm not going to take out. Let Carmen do that. And this again is using the Ellen Hull die, which I showed you before, the Sizzix die. And as you can see, you can change it up. And what I did was I glued inside this top flap here, and I also made it into a pocket, and you can actually fit quite a few embellishments in there. I made these vellum envelopes using a embossing folder and some gold vellum paper that I had, and just dressed them up. Same here. This one is kind of in a silver, really pretty. I think I got the paper from Michael's. And I just added some goodies. And up here on the top also, I included the sticker from the collection. and just kind of dressed it up. And as you can see, I actually used 110-pound cardstock for this because it makes it very firm, and then on top of that I glued the paper. So it's actually very, very sturdy. And this is the back. It's this very pretty thick paper. So this is what I created for Carmen, traditional colors. I really hope that she likes it. I had a lot of fun creating it. This year I'm like really into the red and green. So leave your comments below if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.